Alrighty, I'll be using a EV charging adapter for the Tesla because I'm not using a Tesla supercharger today. And this is comes in a cool case. This is Y-Light's CCS to nacs adapter. I'm sorry, I'm gonna pull it. So there's your CCS, which is a high voltage kilowatt hours level 3 charger plug, and that's the normal nacs that you see on Teslas. And we're gonna test it out real quick. Plug it in. Snaps in. This thing's broken. Not my fault. Come on, guys. There we go. And that goes in. There we go. It's attaching. Cool. Here's the latch. So I gotta just set my charger and go from there. Checking cable, matching voltage. There we go, shit. Wow. Kapow. Like I said, the adapter's hooked up. It's flashing green. That means it's charging. I can go in here. I can show you the dude. He's charging, see? Sorry for the dust. Charging dude. Time remaining 30 minutes. Alrighty, so I'm gonna detach. No problems getting that out, and my hands are free, but basically get the adapter out. Give me a second. No issues coming out the adapter. That's it, there you go.